How to turn on and off PS5 from PlayStation portal, Sony PlayStation. Now, to remotely turn on your PS5 from a PlayStation portal, you need to ensure the stay connected to internet and enable turn on PS5 from network options are enabled in your PS5's reset mode settings. To then attempt to connect your PS5 using the portal while it's in a rest mode, which will initiate a power on sequence. And as you do it so, now to turn off the PS5 remotely from the portal, swipe left from the top right corner of to open the settings and then select disconnect. Make sure the put the connected PS5 is in a rest mode option is enabled to ensure that PS5 enters rest mode and not completely shuts down. So this is how you could do it. So you could also go and explore some of the features available. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.